Well, Virat, many congratulations. Yet again, a player of the match. You saved the best for the last.
Well, it's stuff that you dream of. I've thought of this moment many times that, once when we win the IPL, I should be standing there hitting the winning runs, and tonight it was possible. So, yeah, just a dream day for us. And as I mentioned straight after the game as well, we just felt really relaxed coming to the game today, and really confident about how we wanted to go about our game, and what kind of team we have, and that gives you confidence to just see any kind of situation through. But yeah, at a change, I felt really comfortable out there knowing exactly what to do.
You've been playing since 2008. Did you ever think in your 19th year you will get your fastest 50 in IPL cricket, apart from the hundreds you hit?
Well, not really. I mean, such is the demand of the sport today. I mean, you have these, super young players pushing you all the time, and really asking you to change your game and up the ante. And it's an exciting situation because it just gives you something to improve on, something to work towards. And yeah, I just take a lot of pride in getting better and just trying to figure out areas where I can improve. So yeah, it was just a case of the demands of today's modern game where you need to get those 20, 30 extra runs, and I had to kind of change my mindset, not my game so much, to hit the shots I hit, but more often, and take the bowlers on, probably the best bowlers in the opposition. That was always my target. So very happy I was able to contribute towards the team cause.
Now, the fact that you won last year, there seemed to be a clarity within the unit that was, you were quietly confident on knowing your roles and going about the job.
Absolutely. I mean, the first target was to finish top of the table. We achieved that, and then after that, it was just about, a lot of people asked us, who do you prefer in the finals? And we said, it doesn't matter for us. We don't care what jersey is in front of us. We are playing great cricket. We're going to focus on RCB and not the other teams. And we're going to be respectful of all the other teams. We don't poke any other team, We're very happy to carry on playing professional cricket. We have a lot of mature players in the group, a lot of experienced guys, and the experience always shines through in difficult situations. You can have all the excitement and slam bang in the world, but come the big situations, you need the big boys to step up, and that's exactly what we did.
Now, you said it earlier in one of the interviews that as a unit, you have four boys stepping up to the plate who can win you games. It's not one person winning the man of the match all the time.
Absolutely. I mean, even tonight, I know it's a chase, and they probably look to get me out early, but I was very confident that even if I get out early, we have a champion team that's going to finish the job, 3 or 4 overs to go. So when you have that kind of confidence, you can go out there and really take the bowlers on. And I think that's credit to the management, the way they stacked up the squad, the talent of the players, the belief that the players have shown, and we stand here champions back to back, which is a special feat. That's